Welcome to our complete guide on Saint Lucia tax residency. This beautiful island in the Eastern Caribbean is not only famous for its breathtaking landscapes, but also for its appealing tax conditions. For many individuals seeking a new place to live, understanding the nuances of Saint Lucia tax residency is crucial. In this video, we will navigate through the requirements, benefits, and considerations you need to keep in mind while thinking about relocating to this tropical paradise. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with valuable insights to make informed decisions about your financial future. To start, let's define what tax residency means in Saint Lucia. This concept is fundamentally important for international tax planning and can greatly affect your overall tax burden. In Saint Lucia, tax residency is established primarily through physical presence. The key is knowing the 183-day rule. To be classified as a tax resident, you must spend at least 183 days in Saint Lucia within a calendar year. This standard aligns with global practices and underscores the importance of accurate day tracking to firmly establish your tax status in this beautiful country. Now let's address the benefits of becoming a tax resident in Saint Lucia. First and foremost, the country boasts a favorable tax environment due to its territorial tax system. Unlike many other jurisdictions, residents are generally taxed only on income earned within Saint Lucia, not on worldwide income. This presents fantastic opportunities for effective tax planning and can lead to substantial savings, especially for those who have diverse income streams, including international sources. But beyond tax benefits, living in Saint Lucia comes with incredible lifestyle perks. Think stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and a welcoming community that enriches everyday life. If you're considering establishing tax residency here, you'll need to apply for an appropriate residency permit to legally stay for those crucial 183 days. There are various options available, each with its own documentation requirements and processing times. Depending on your specific circumstances, requirements might include proof of financial stability, personal identification, and a variety of supporting documents, so it's wise to consult a local immigration specialist. With their assistance, you can navigate this process efficiently and increase the likelihood of a successful residency application. Finally, let's discuss the importance of maintaining your tax residency. Key aspects include meticulous day counting and compliance with periodic renewals of your residency permit. Accurately documenting your entry and exit dates is essential. Tools like Pebbles can help streamline this process, ensuring you keep track of your days effectively. Also, be aware of potential challenges, like banking and adapting to local healthcare services. By working with tax professionals and immigration specialists, you can tackle these hurdles head-on, ensuring that your transition to becoming a Saint Lucia tax resident is as smooth and beneficial as possible.